So I'm Ethan from China, and today I will introduce my project WorkTunes, a music-assisted writing efficiency evaluation and promotion platform using artificial intelligence and natural language processing. So firstly, where did my research question come from? For me, myself, I have a habit of listening to music when I was doing various tasks, like doing homework, writing paper, or solving math problem. So during the process, I found that when I listen to the music I like, it will be easier for me to get concentrated and I can write my homework more efficiently because music can get rid of my boredom when doing those tasks. And it can even create a joyful feeling and let me enjoy doing the trivial tasks. So when I interviewed some of my friends and asked about them these questions, I figured out that many of them also had similar experience. I also find that some certain background music may enhance efficiency of working, but others cannot. So considering writing is one of the most usual tasks for international students, I focus on the research question, how could different music genre affects people's writing efficiency? In order to answer the question, I developed a machine learning-based algorithm that predicts the best music genre for the people to maximize their writing efficiency. Uh, Um, uh, so I use Python to build this user interface and collect the data as well as displaying this prediction results. And so why is this product effective? First, it has very few assumptions. It is just based on machine learning. So it is not based on a certain psychological theory, which can be controversial. It's just based on a relationship between data. It's data driven. And second, it is customized for individuals and it can be broadly applied. And third, there's currently no other similar products. When I was doing the literature review, I found only different social experiments toward the topic with different results. And there's also an automated system to recommend the music people neither like or nor dislike. And this research assumed that only neutral music can improve efficiency, and that is not necessarily true. So WorkTune do not have those problems, and it is unique. And so this picture shows the user interface of our software,
Sync the
and
volume
it
to.
contains.
Can you sync the laptop volume to TV, please?
Oh, um, okay. So this picture can shows the user interface, and it contains the music controls, a login system, performance statistics, and the writing text box and efficiency data. And you can select the music through the category menu. And the category consists of classical, light, pop, and rock. Of course, you can add more music to it in the root file. And then the user can select the music they want and press the play button. And then the program will automatically record several criteria of writing during the music playing. And it can store the user's account and the user can see the data of his own account, like as shown in this picture. And the recommendation algorithm uses the CLF model in Python to predict the efficiency score based on those features, including the pause time, the word count, revision times, type speed, and typo count. And it will calculate a quality score for each writing using the feature matrix. To store the user's data, we used Firebase as our online database, as shown in the picture. And it serves to store the user's account info and scores of each user's test results. And the server receives the updated scores and store them in the corresponding user documents. And this data can be caught back in the client to display these data to the users. And it is when they click on the view statistics button, like when they press on this button. And here is an example of a user shown in the picture. We can see the user has a score of 43 for pop music, but only 20 and 24 for the classical and lights. And those numbers means that his writing performance is much better under pop music environment, but not in the classical and light music environments. So in order to let people download our software, I use HTML language to build an online website for introduction and downloading. And the information of the product and the developer, which is myself, are displayed on the website. You can go to the worktunes.org to see the website. And here's a video demo to show how to use the software.
But we're getting no sound. Could you if it works?
If I
Hey, thank you.
I think I just share the PowerPoint, but not the I should share the PowerPoint, but not the playing parts. Um, and and in this Windows, we can see the scores from the database, the Firebase database, and of and we have done several experiments to test our model. We compare the linear regression and the ADA boost regression as models for grading essays. And the result shown in the figure in the right side shows that the ADA boost regression is more accurate than the linear regression when grading essays, because it is an ensemble learning technique that it considers more aspects and more accurate than the linear regression. And of course, this is just a demo for our project. For future development, first, we will contact with more volunteers to try our demo, and I will collect their feedbacks. This is helpful because we use artificial intelligence, so we need plenty of data to make the model more accurate. And the volunteers can greatly increase our data size. And secondly, we will integrate a more complex natural language processing system that identifies text types and tones, which can give more responsible result under different text styles. This can eliminate the condition like the same type of music has different improvement effects when the users are writing like professional paper or emotional diary, and the music towards those two text types may be different. And third, we will insert GPT-4 model to give a more intuitive recommendation for the background music or the writing performance, rather than just obscure numbers. This powerful language model can output sentences. So based on different numeric results, GPT can give even more customized recommendations using natural language. So in conclusion, we have built usable software to find out the best music genre to enhance people's writing quality. Its advantages are that it is customized, convenient, and data-driven, but because the project is still ongoing, there are still limitations left for us to fix. So if you want to further discuss the project with me, you can contact with me through this email address. And thank you for listening.